Welcome to Unknown Facts About U.S. Presidents You've Never Heard Before. In this video, we're diving into surprising and little-known facts about U.S. presidents that reveal unique and unexpected sides of their lives and leadership. From hidden talents to unusual hobbies, these presidential stories are sure to amaze you. Get ready to uncover a whole new perspective on American history. Donald Trump made history as the only U.S. president to be impeached twice during his time in office. His first impeachment in 2019 centered around allegations of abuse of power and obstruction of Congress related to his dealings with Ukraine. In 2021, following the Capitol riots, Trump faced a second impeachment for incitement of insurrection. Both impeachments stirred significant political and public debate, underscoring the deep divides in the country at the time. Despite these historic events, Trump was acquitted by the Senate in both cases, allowing him to complete his term. His two impeachments left a lasting impact on American politics, marking an unprecedented chapter in presidential history. Barack Obama holds the unique distinction of being the first U.S. president born outside the contiguous 48 states. Born in Honolulu, Hawaii, in 1961, Obama's birthplace set him apart from previous presidents. His Hawaiian roots brought a fresh perspective to American leadership, connecting him to the rich and diverse cultures of the Pacific. Growing up in Hawaii shaped Obama's worldview, which he often shared through his speeches and policies. His journey from the islands to the White House inspired countless Americans, symbolizing the inclusiveness of the American dream. Obama's historic election and background highlighted America's growing diversity, expanding representation in U.S. leadership. George W. Bush made history as the first U.S. president to run a marathon, showcasing his dedication to fitness and endurance. In 1993, years before his presidency, Bush completed the Houston Marathon with an impressive time of 3 hours and 44 minutes. His accomplishment reflected his discipline and love for physical challenges, traits that later shaped his leadership style. Running a marathon requires determination and resilience, qualities Bush brought into the Oval Office. His passion for running continued through his presidency, often seen during his morning jogs around the White House grounds. Bush's marathon achievement added a unique chapter to his legacy, underscoring his commitment to staying active even with the demands of the presidency. Bill Clinton brought a unique flair to his presidential campaign by showcasing his saxophone skills on national television. During a 1992 appearance on the Arsenio Hall show, Clinton played a lively rendition of Heartbreak Hotel while wearing dark sunglasses. This memorable moment showed a more relaxed, relatable side of the candidate to many Americans. Clinton's saxophone performance helped him connect with younger voters and showcased his lifelong love for music. His appearance on the show was both entertaining and gave him a boost in popularity during the campaign. Clinton's saxophone skills became a defining pop culture moment, marking him as one of the more charismatic and unconventional candidates in U.S. history. George H.W. Bush holds the unique distinction of being the first U.S. president to publicly acknowledge seeing a UFO. During his time in office, he mentioned witnessing an unidentified flying object, though he left the details vague, sparking public curiosity. Bush's brief acknowledgement fueled speculation and heightened interest in UFOs, especially given his prior role as CIA director. Although he didn't provide further details, his statement gave the topic new attention, adding an air of mystery to his already fascinating career. Bush's willingness to address the matter, even subtly, set him apart from previous presidents. His mention of a UFO sighting remains an intriguing part of his legacy, linking him to a topic that has captivated people worldwide for generations. Before he became the 40th President of the United States, Ronald Reagan spent his summers working as a lifeguard in Illinois. During his time on the job, Reagan saved an impressive 77 lives, earning a reputation as a local hero. Standing watch over the Rock River, he took his responsibilities seriously and kept a careful tally of each life saved. This experience helped shape Reagan's confidence, sense of duty, and dedication to helping others, traits he would carry into his political career. His time as a lifeguard became an early example of his commitment to protecting and serving those around him. It's fascinating to think that years before stepping onto the world stage, Reagan was already making a difference, one rescue at a time. If you learned something new about U.S. presidents today, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fascinating history facts. Let us know in the comments if you'd like to see a part 2 with even more surprising presidential stories. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.